And why a serious home match? Captain Kojo Smart, what best position John Mahama NDC government? Abra omo ton Ghana and South City. Omo by some way protect Ghana land any resources no. Omo za fa ho twede. Our Captain Smart abetu motor. I Penyah broke me. The best one say need Obe like video no that one put subscribers and some click notification conflicts. I'll be some better the word that mama e will comment section so baso. No share for us enya be ahwe. E tin so ba Ghana na your company be from Vaco. Vaco omudin e Volta Aluminium Company Limited. I say 1967 and I established that company no. And it was owned by what? A private guy. Na a Ghana obi and only that company no. But God being so good, Ghana now no. Yeah, a company no. You only what I say Ghana yeah they say a company no abedi and sema yeah dia I say yeah na yeah to any man that Vaco no almost as in fact almost as young tam was a aluminium company almost engaging in the extraction of the mine of aluminium it almost as a young tam kakraka either horn is almost do mujuma now that ends as no anabusia Captain Kojo Smart etiremu say NDC aban as that trans as lady utwede government promising operation recover all loot. And second said they will retrieve all captured government land. All captured government land. Government land the BIA ya ton move, no. They will retrieve it. But Captain Kojo say enko ya. Omu claim say omu ba be retrieve no. Say omu kura na start e tunton di.
Oh, I tell this first started to have consanity. John Mahama. Ebia na se wunnim Julius ebia wunnim se wunnim America kire mo se eye be na Vaco asase ye tabi aban we mu nya scandal bia wan hwa we be dey dikan Vaco enye company enye state asset enye facility esese didi agro because se wunnim America kire o ansa na mafia Vaco eba be Vaco enipa dunkunu na wuyi because of Vaco maybe you don't know enipa 19 Vaco nti wo hwere won kwa mafia the very first day ye bie Vaco anu wo mamu ha no nipa mienu so na wu kan 19 nti na 20 say 21 eti Vaco na esi ho no e wo de wo na wo de kire na wo de ye mafia osagefo eye bibia efe no EI eye executive instrument odije asase se odibesi eye Vaco
I don't know
sa EI 25 no me wo copy me de kire wa adom me the same copy ne be kire e wo angel me de akire wa hada 2022 but the eye me dey na ne se ni na Godwin any pass solo no mo tare me ho no mo da tare ho angel energy to so better home woman that tar home so muni ba sama make wa kura wo ya we Vaco executive instruments 25 and 1959 and a osage for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah and the sa to be no eje sa no eto ho besi na me no ka say mafia Vaco nsase enkrofo de ne re yafa ebo 100 acres eno nya ne Penyah Mahama mere so. Ba Mahama part 1 nakam na shimbi. The first time I first started say one for Vaco nsase e ya tampon time o Ghana ha. NDC fade amoye no ho. Dam me ka kire mo he. Ade na amoye no dam nyense bia nim sade na mo pesa mo yonim. 2017 PBC who power asase so ne say o mai bi o wa japadia ontimi hweso yie o mai bia o wade so won fasoa ontimi hunu se de odane no o mai bia o wa japade a ebetimi ama o mai ne da akye dimu na ontimi nkura no o mai bia o wo bribia ebetimi ya hwe o mai ne yie na o muntimi mbo ade no ho ban no sa o mai no mpanifo ewom ni nipa ewom ina wonim nyansa ukromo hene ka ho me so me de ka ho wo nim nyansa eti yentra sidin ni enwene ho Israel mene kwa me sefa kan ye ko Israel enye yenko a journalists bi presenters bi ka ho ne ye ko asemo mo ka kire ye ne se sanka ejapade a Ghana wo no sanka Israel e wo just 1% out of 100 ka Israel be ye hu se tie BBC da hoy efie mi ensani wakasi entua wonka wonim say PBC aban company o it is a we radio station we TV station na wo ye aban institution state corporation state company state institution bi ho ade a yenji won sika age ebia wo ye bi a esese wo tua sika eti ye kofa DVL betra ha ne kwase DVL chinchin tachi a ye won kom age oye project bi a ohia publicity a wetwa ho sika ato ho PBC 3 years yentua o medwa for kada mekane 2023 eno de ya ncheme PBC for mo de beka masem ya ncheme 2024 PBC ho ya ncheme last year ye boso sa banye oba ye ncheye but omnye ne ho ntemtem na ontua PBC foka the whole of last year yentua ka mafia. Do you know the rubbish that has happened? Me share that father the two status PBC from penny for fee say me twa so unim nyansa wo mo te say ma boss story ne so no and wo mo di mirika kwatro letter and me adwuma phone ni na ne say mo bia nko TV ni radio station bia. Are you guys crazy? Eti mo unim nyansa say 2023 me ka ho asem NDC PBC Penyah woda no. What is wrong with your hand? What's the problem with you? Won gi nipa ho enipa gu adwuma mo ye adwuma ye ntua wonka 3 years nyash. How can you survive? Ewe adwuma mo hasan fie miensa media general ntua wonka anka beba sesi ana kamwan de asoko yi wetu akoton he me na ne fo so ka kire me se kwadwo me se grandma oso tafre bebrebe a wo takrama hi me na ne fo so ena ka kire me oso kwadwo me se grandma oso wiase ma yewe wo tafre bebrebe a wo takrama ehi PBC NDC PBC refi say 2023 na ado na meka NDC PBC refi say 2024 na ye MPP PBC na meka he mo bia nye kokwen ade bia waban wem ye me no if I manage to survive under Akufo-Addo I can survive under Adolf Hitler because Nanado is dangerous than Nebuchadnezzar. Now PBC fa control letter say enkrofo eko media houses. Are you guys crazy? Have you forgotten yourself in just 1 year? NDC appointees mo bia mfa dam enye djuma muja jimi no so what PBC wo as CEO as finance director as then you are paid at the end of the month. Enkrofo mamenom enkrofo papanom enkrofo nuanom enkrofo kunum enkrofo 3 years untua wonka paleta neto. Okay, Cocoa sector 9th May 20. President John Mahama appoints Sedu Yonyi as new managing director of produce buying company PBC. Openi Yonyi. Now a contract they will say circular as apostolic release. All staff notice board. Yeah, they are quarter notice unauthorized visit to radio and TV stations. Are you guys mad? We are Mr. Captain Smart diatem. We are bear money wo ba me. Juma ewo PBC. Now 3 years yentua ne car. What would you say? 2023 yentua onka. 2024 yentua. 2025 under John Mahama they were not paid. And you want me to sit here and shut up because I campaign for John Mahama? Oh yeah. Hey, and they wait you, brah. Hey, wait you, brah. Hey, what tafri baby ba wo tekrama hi. Ti mema na. Would ma komisa papa be wedding president to African country leader. Do tekrama tafri niama baby ba. Umini mukura timi hi. Benya throat cancer. We write to inform all staff members with immediate effect that any person who visits a radio or TV station to discuss matters concerning PBC Limited without the express written permission from executive management will face disciplinary action as stated in HR Policy 278. We entreat all to adhere strictly to this directive to ensure that the protection of the company's image and smooth operations. Please take note and be guided. How can you have and protect and ensure the smooth operations of PBC when your workers are not paid for 3 years? Sometimes I wonder how we think as Africans. Sometimes I wonder how we think as black people. You see, my pain this morning is not because your leaders are be respecting, but my pain is that say I would say buy nursing training college. What na fiem you know and fiemiensa. Oba no nursing training college in fiem 9 ye man adwuma nye. What to more room as say we seek the Obana nursing training college. I'm an area betna fie so ye nurse. And fiem 9 or that to muka say what done a chef. No no aduane ni nuanom ma ni nuanom mema because you say Ghana dear, you say a ma dear or more office kitchen. One kasamami, who says a ubano or tifie se nurse, impose no. Sani yakano. Yet to Kroma, medical doctors are a real school or Ukraine before the Russia-Ukraine war. Basic ne impose war. What that tifie, it is a ubaba mako school or Ukraine. No, your medical doctor, Shahoka. Ebimpo anya scholarship no de koe wana utitin wo mowrem hwa akwada no mana kosuku obi manso awo bebrebe na wasaba betra fie na ye say ye posting and you want me to come every morning wear an expensive suit and tie be mate say me nko makeup room me antwebenim na me betra ha me no abedi agro. I am not a zombie broadcaster. I am a nation builder. I build nations and I've done that before and I'll do it again. The reality is that nobody saves a dying son or a child or a daughter with laughter. If you want to save a dying son, if you want to save a dying daughter, if you want to save somebody you love so much, you go with all aggression, everything inside of you that can help you to save that personality. Here we are as a country, 3 solid years, they've not been paid. And you want me to kind of say, okay, am I ever say the Ghana for person because I mean, yeah, jai, school, UK, US, France, Russia. When was the last time UK lectures call strike? When was the last time Russia lectures call strike? When was the last time France lectures call strike? But I say again, have no case mafia. One way question there, I bet you my dear was school. No, one call strike, one be a school, one ba lecture be any classroom. Any panel castle or teacher training college, a friend of college of education, no, all but on the strike. Now when I dream on day Buffy. And you want me to come and sit here and garnish and massage the issue. You want me to garnish the issue. We try to make before Jimmy teacher training colleges of education. Omo be school. Omo tifie na wotwem yenu. Adentra lectures was strike. Lectures the day na omo ka. Omo say ade aye ne aban kan ye 2023 and one ye busa. 2023 and any ade aye busa. And in the comfort of your living room and your bedroom, you think that Captain Smart is disrespectful. I am not. You do not know me. I'm sure this is the way you want me to talk. I will not do it this way. This studio is not my bedroom. If you were in the shoes of these parents, a mother, a single mother, through the rain, through the sun, forced, pushed, managed, cried. A money beat me soon. Ube kwana ni pillow a 4, but don't can't you know da. Na obe sorry as a single mother. Na akoshu shesika edi amane ma ako school edi aba. And after se sanko that way every school no, we turn to add nothing but salt to an excruciating pain. Ye ria na ya sorry gina ho. Na Ghana memem kurasefo etime bi o manu akase oba bi ya hye woni. Wo yare bra. PBC na management te ho issue this rubbish letter to the whole wide world. Boss, are you not ashamed of yourself? How do you feel that at the end of the month you are paid as a managing director and there are people who are working so hard and for 3 solid years they've not been paid? And listen, Ghana for Amutiemino, this is the language the politicians understand. They understand my language. Maybe you do not know. They understand this language better than any other means of communication. They love this. Because when they call Moridium, Abutrika Semkuru ya.
Captain Smart.
You have a person me say. So when you're maya, any pano ye woman bado. Say, Odi Bonnie said they will be my swa. Answer no be Jani Munu. Ye pequoti quite bonnet and say Jani. Abraham wouldn't say China for the two girls. Say the Chon Pena Chinese ambassador Dimirica, Eco Foreign Affairs. Yachele Peno Dimirica, no Interior Ministry. The Chobo no Dimirica, no immigration or say Munja or my Yedwom could do your cruma, Yabecho Maso. Yes. And then Asha wine. Oba 4 times 2007. Honorable Isaac Owusu Ansa. He was the then Ashanti regional minister. Adelaide after SK Buafu. Honorable Samson Kweku Buafu. Isaac Owusu Ansa. Onuwu, but SK Buafu Onwui. The very first time Asha Juan was arrested she was arrested in the Ashanti region. Adelaide. That I know ne papa bi twem plan or chronom. Hey, don't let me go there. Papa no MPP. Asha Juan ya cheno. Okwa ya ya sad naba. Okwa ya Asha Juan what him say wakwa China ya deport no 7 times. Are you aware? China ambassador wo Ghana ha. Senye wo ambassadors na ka China for gu jail ukrum ha no komo donso but dey ne osimunja na maye aha yente krum ha ena UK ni papa betna Ghana ha enkran yesi e friend ye na ma tambrofo kese pedophilia we Ghana nkoda to saa ye the papa e betu pe na UK High Commissioner AUDT momfa ne maye Debne ko yekuru a yenya ye be punish no sa papa no Ghana a sentence in 20 years omere ne ko UK no mo review sentence no ne man 9 months men kan sa sabotre ka ye bone a Ghana ni aye bone a ye man nkoso ndi bone that is not what I'm saying no Debbie I can never ever sit here and subscribe to crime no I will never ever do that it means so bone so name Norwegian Peter obetna tema community 7 and o jade na gu bucket o shedas ko no ma fedro me sure say Dr. Dudie ni bia e jane nan egu bucket e di nsu gu ho say Ghana for ne won ye adwuma e wo tema no o ha na we ya beka to say mikotonsu papa no jane nan e di gu bucket e bu nsu gu ho e ka che Ghana for ne say no mo nsa no Peter ye chi sa papa no ye Norwegian no asama wo ka kire ye ne say
the word your mama e wo comment section I Penyah Block Media